Welcome for class. I hope all of you are fine and doing great, students. Firstly, someone says very beautifully, nothing is impossible. The word itself says I am possible. It means that if you say I am possible, that means you are possible. Okay, students, we start our lecture with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most gracious. Today's your lecture number 7 of computer science about chapter number 6, introduction to spreadsheet. What is spreadsheet? In previous lecture we discussed about what is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is used to organize the data, calculate the data very easily, enter the graphs, charts, maps. Okay, so today we discuss about cell entry, some pictures of MS Excel. First is cell entry. Data inserted into cell is called cell entry. Students, what is cell entry? Data inserted into cell is called cell entry. Data inserted into cell is called cell entry. How can we enter the data into the cell? Start a new line of text inside a cell in Excel. To start a new line of text and add spacing between lines and paragraphs. Okay. On the worksheet, click on a cell. What is worksheet? जहां हम वर्क करते हैं उसको हम वर्कशीट कहते हैं, जिसमें रोज एंड कॉलम्स हैं. ठीक है. In previous lecture you discuss about what is worksheet. Okay. On the worksheet, click a cell, type the numbers or text that you want to enter and press enter or tab. Okay. To enter data on a new line within a cell, enter a line break by pressing Alt plus Enter. The shortcut key to enter our data in new line is Alt plus Enter. Okay. How can we enter a cell? Bacho, how can we enter a cell? On the worksheet, click a cell, type the numbers and text that you want to enter and then press Enter to tab. Enter or tab. Okay. Next is values. Numbers entered in a cell is called value. किसी चीज को value देना. For example, we enter some numbers in a cell is called value. What is value? Number entered in a cell is called value. How we enter value? Entering data into a spreadsheet is just like typing in a word processing program, but you have to first click the cell in which you want to enter the data to be placed before typing the data. All words describing the values, numbers. Okay. The numbers which can later be used in formulas are called values. Okay. Which later यूज इन फॉर्मूलाज आर कॉल्ड वैल्यूज. बच्चों, हमने जो नंबर इंटर किए हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हमने सम का फंक्शन अप्लाई करना है. ठीक है. हम क्या करेंगे, जो वैल्यूज हम फॉर्मूला में यूज करेंगे उसको हम वैल्यूज कहते हैं. ठीक है. सेकेंड इज फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला? आ फॉर्मूला परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन यूजिंग वैल्यूज फ्रॉम अदर सेल. अदर सेल्स को यूज करते हुए वैल्यूज को परफॉर्म करना, उनकी कैलकुलेशन करना फॉर्मूला कहलाता है. A formula is an expression which calculates the value for cells. Functions are predefined. Formulas are already available in Excel. For example, cell contains a formula which adds the values of cell A2 to the A5. Okay. Different formulas used for perform the action. First is sum, minus, maximize, minimize, subtraction, multiply, divide. Okay. How can we write the formula? Formula is starting from the is equal to, then we return the, how can we add. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने फार्मूलाज को ऐड कर, हमने वैल्यूज को ऐड करना है. क्या करेंगे, इज इक्वल्स टू से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, सम कैपिटल वर्ड्स में लिखेंगे एंड देन हम रो और कॉलम्स का नेम लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने 3 कॉलम और बी कॉलम और 3 रो को सम करना है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, B3 प्लस B4. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉर्मूला. So students, today's your lecture ended. I hope all of you are very understand very well. Wish you a very good luck, students. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.